All right, today we're working on a 2013 T660, and the complaint is that the key will not turn over. They said that it would turn a little bit, but it wouldn't turn enough to even turn the auxiliary switch on. It wouldn't go forward or reverse on the key switch. So in order to check it out, you need to take this faceplate off of this dash right here, and then you got 4 screws holding in this side of the dash right here. You take that off, and you got a switch panel right here, and you take these 2 switches out and you leave the gauges attached, and you can just set it up on the dash and get out of your way. And then this right here has got a locking nut on it right here, and that just locks the key switch in the cylinder to the dash. So you take this out, you push it back through here and reach down behind the dash panel. You can pull it up and get it out. And what you want to do is check all these wires, make sure that it's getting power so it's not locking out like that. And you also want to make sure that this cylinder doesn't have tension on it, pushing it back out. The problem with this one is that this switch right here, this side of the switch right here, this wire was pulled out, and it wasn't giving this switch power to cut the key on. And once I put that wire back in, it allowed me to turn the key on, and now we're getting power to the truck. And that's today's fix on this 2013 T660.